In front of me is REALME 13 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and tap on all of your photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, select Photos, look for your photo and click on it. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To take a picture and add it, use those two arrows next to Photos. Hit Take Photo. Take it. And to add it, use this check mark in the middle. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!